Hey everyone, and welcome to this channel. Today we're tackling the world of laundry, but with a twist, we're going green. We'll be diving into the world of natural laundry detergents available online in India, specifically on Amazon and Flipkart. So, ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the power of nature. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Don't worry, here are the top 2 natural laundry detergents that truly stand out. Introducing the Contenders Herbal Strategi Natural Fabric Wash. This rockstar detergent is made with soap nuts and essential oils, making it tough on stains yet gentle on fabrics and skin. Plus, it's biodegradable and safe for babies and pets, a true eco-friendly champion. Key features: powerful stain removal with soap nuts, gentle on skin and fabrics with essential oils, biodegradable and safe for sensitive skin, available in lavender and lemongrass scents. Happy Planet Natural Laundry Liquid Detergent. This fragrance-free wonder is perfect for delicate skin and baby clothes. Made with plant-based surfactants and essential oils, it effectively cleans without any harsh chemicals or allergens. Bonus points for being biodegradable and phosphate-free. Key features: ideal for sensitive skin and babies, free from fragrance, dyes, and harsh chemicals. Plant-based surfactants for effective cleaning, biodegradable and phosphate-free. These 2 detergents stood out for several reasons. Effectiveness: they both tackle stains effectively, leaving your clothes clean and fresh. Gentle on skin and fabrics, they're free from harsh chemicals, making them kind to your skin and delicate fabrics. Eco-friendly: both are biodegradable and phosphate-free, minimizing their environmental impact. Variety: Herbal Strategi offers delightful scents, while Happy Planet caters to fragrance-sensitive individuals. Choosing the right one. The best detergent for you depends on your priorities. If you prioritize powerful stain removal and pleasant scents, Herbal Strategi might be your match. If you have sensitive skin or prefer fragrance-free options, Happy Planet is your champion. So, there you have it. The top 2 picks for natural laundry detergents available online in India. Remember, going green doesn't have to compromise on clean. With these natural wonders, you can achieve sparkling clothes while caring for your skin and the planet. Check the video description for the links to these top picks, from where you can visit the product detail page, see the users' reviews, and find the best buying price that is offered. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your favorite natural laundry detergent finds. And until next time, happy eco-friendly washing. Call to action: like and subscribe for more green living tips and recommendations. Share this video with your friends and family who are looking for natural laundry solutions. Let me know in the comments what other eco-friendly products you'd like me to cover. Bonus tip: for extra cleaning power, you can try adding a scoop of baking soda or white vinegar to your wash cycle. These natural ingredients are great at boosting stain removal and brightening whites. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day every day. Do take care of your skin and the planet. Thank you.